Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, very, very rare, 1974 Trans Am Super Duty. Very rare. Got the owner here's going to tell us a little bit about it.
All right, we've got a 1974 original, all numbers matching, Super Duty, very rare Cameo white with the white interior, very rare combination. Automatic air, windows, steering brakes, of course. Beautiful total body of restoration. Has a garden exhaust on her. Got the steel guard radials, period correct, brand new tires from Kelsey Tire.
Wow, really makes a nice difference, huh?
Beautiful paint, beautiful restoration that was done a long time ago, and the car still holds up very, very well.
Looks brand new.
Yes, car that in other words you could bring to a car show and definitely win first place with it. Runs as good as it looks. Air conditioning is ice cold. You know, tilt wheel also in this car, AM FM. Just a good car that you couldn't restore it today for the money that we're asking for her.
Man, a serious collector piece. Let's check it under the hood. Legendary 455, huh?
You know, Super Duty is a Super Duty, 73 and 74, so very rare. This is the L88 of Trans Ams, like the L88 Corvette, but these are the daddy of Trans Ams right here.
Yeah.
And just so you know, in 1974, of course, yes, you have the Y8 block there, Michael.
Yeah.
Just so you know, in 1974, you could have got this car with the automatic without air, so this gives it the extra boost. It even has the Deluxe Interior with the white interior, which is very, very rare. So this is a very well, highly optioned car.
Yeah, notice the drip rail moldings also. We got some good original documentation, right? Is it open over here?
Yeah. We have the original PHS with the car.
Okay. Killer with the white interior. Wow.
That is the original seat covers and the original headliner. Carpets were changed, but to go sit there and say those original seats, this car has 80-something thousand miles on it. But look how nice it was kept. It tells the tale that it was kept really nice.
It's gorgeous. Just a killer color combination.
Just so you know, one time McLaughlin Trans Ams owned this car.
Oh, Trans Am Museum.
Yes, this is one of his cars. Like 6 years ago, yeah.
Man, what a pretty car. This is awesome. We also have a couple others for sale as well. Maybe marketing. So for the investor that wants to make a package deal, we also have this SD. Super low miles on this T over here, right?
Oh yeah, it's 16,000 miles on that silver special edition, 79 silver anniversary. And then you got the 73. You have the 73 4-speed car that the owner put over $100,000 restoration in this car. It was a labor of love. It is absolutely stunning. Underneath, top, everything, just a great, fine example of a great restoration. I think the paint on this car is a 10.
It is beautiful.
It really, really is.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Any questions at all, feel free to give me a buzz. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on all of these vehicles on our main website. weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.